Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you another amazing feeling V-sit roll. So I just call sitting like this the V-sit, and learning how to roll from this position, well, there's so many different ways you can roll, but they all feel amazing, and they're all good for you. So when we roll, we're connecting our body, we're articulating our joints, we're getting our back, our vertebrae to move. We're connecting this shoulder to this hip to this hip on the front side and back side, but we're also activating our vestibular system, and we're stimulating our largest tactile organ, our skin. So we're just flooding our brain with fantastic information, and that information actually keeps your nervous system very healthy, keeps your body very healthy. So we give in good information to the brain, and the brain in turn gives in great outformation to the body. So everything starts moving and feeling the way it's designed to move and feel, which is great. You are designed to feel great. Or if I may be so bold, you're actually designed to feel amazing. And so I'm going to show you an amazing feeling V-sit roll. I don't know why I haven't shown you this one before, because it seems like the lowest hanging fruit of all the V-sit rolls, but we're going to do a lower body roll from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right leg and I'm going to put it on that side of your head. No, sorry, that was a bad joke. I'm going to take this leg and I'm going to cross over, and I'm just going to reach, and that reach is going to pull me over. How you doing? And then I'm just going to undo it, but I'm going to do it with a lower body roll again. So I'm just going to reach back across my body and let it pull me back. So that's it. We're just doing lower body rolls from the V-sitting position, and we're just reaching across, and we just reach, and that roll just pulls us over, and we can continue rolling. Hey. And then we just reach back across, back, and it pulls us over. And again, this just feels good. And it is a great way to connect the body, to mobilize the spine, open up the hips, and nourish the brain. Anyway, that is yet another V-sit roll. Give that a shot, let me know what you think, and do all the rolls. So remember, we can go upper body, we can thread the needle, we can do the elevated, cool, how you doing roll. So many different rolls to do, but if you haven't, just spend time playing in this position and learn all the wonderful ways that you can roll. All right, again, I'm out, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.